Claude Design just launched inside Claude, and what that means is you can now create professional visual work directly inside the same tool you're already using. Slides, pitch decks, one-pagers, mockups, prototypes, all of it without needing Figma, without needing Canva, or even a designer. You describe what you want and Claude builds it for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Claude Design is, what it can do, and how to use it step by step. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So Claude used to be terrible with front-end design, and that just completely changed. And Claude Design is powered by Opus 4.7, their most capable version yet. Pretty much anyone that has a Pro or Max or above can use this. It's going to be directly in our browser. There are 3 steps needed to create a great design. You describe it, Claude builds it, and then you refine it. You also upload a doc about your business and pretty much guidelines. It's built for designers, product managers, founders, and marketers, pretty much anyone trying to create front-end design. And so it's way more than just creating slides. It can do videos, it can do pitch decks, wireframes, and mockups. This is all going to be in the front end, and then you pretty much just switch over to Claude Code to go ahead and build everything on that back end. Claude Design is as good as Figma. Let's go ahead and dive into our first project. We're going to go ahead and pull it up in our browser. So the best way to get there, go ahead and search up Claude. So we can see that we're in Claude already. The best way to get there, it will always be in a browser. You want to go ahead and go to Design on that left-hand side. Once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things. We can see that we can go ahead and set up our first design system. Let's go ahead and do that now. This is going to be pretty much a template. So go ahead and give it a prompt of what you're trying to achieve. So I do have a PDF that I will give it that has my brand voice, my pretty much font, colors, and everything. Let's go ahead and generate this now. It will take 5 minutes, so go ahead and do what you need to do and just come back when it's done. So we can see that Claude designed a website to promote my school community. We can see that it produced a very high-end website based off of my colors, my brand guidelines. With this, again, this was without me prompting it too much. It was literally just creating a website for my school community, my brand guidelines. We can see that it also provided different files, right? We can go ahead and see these files. I'm not a code editor, so I kind of want to just stay away from this. Design system, we can see everything behind that. If we wanted to make some edits from here as well, we can do that here. If I wanted to ship this out and kind of put everything on the back end, because what Claude does is the front end, we want to go ahead and do share on that right hand side. Go ahead and hand off to Claude. Copy this command. It's as easy as pasting in that command to hand it off to Claude Code. So now that we went over how to create a website, now we're going to go ahead and do a slide deck. We're going to go ahead and do slides. That's what we're going to go ahead and create it as. It already has my brand format. Let's go ahead and just give it a prompt. Now that we sent it over, we are going to wait a couple minutes while it creates everything. We can see that now it's asking me a couple questions to get the exact format of everything. So we're going to go ahead and create slides introducing Claude Design. We're going to go ahead and go to Claude. We're going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it so it has a little bit more context. Create me slides. Paste. What does it go to teach people how to use a feature? How long should the presentation be? We're going to say about 20 slides. We're going to do educational. We're going to go ahead and give it more freedom. We're going to do decide for me. Do you have any visual assets? No. We're going to go ahead and do problem solution, how it works. Live demo, unpolished work. Let's go ahead and do continue. Right off the back, we can see that it produced those slides for us without really any back and forth and without a lot of context. I just copied what Anthropic has and then giving it my design layout. We can see that it did produce everything. If we wanted to go back and forth with Claude, pretty much to produce a finished version, we'll give it a lot more context to show how the design should actually be. But this is a very easy way to start producing high-end designs very quickly. You can do a lot of video editing. Right now, it's just going over what Claude Design is, how to use it. Next video, we're going to show how to create videos with Claude Design and how to maximize what you can do with design. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.